Next exercise we're going to do is hyperextension. So this is going to be working the lumbar part of the back and the lower part of the back as well. So lower back, lumbar spine, and also you'll be targeting a bit of glutes and some hamstrings. So one of the most important things about this exercise is to not over hyperextend, which a lot of people do. And you don't actually need any weight when you do the exercise. You can use some weight, but it's not that important. The most important thing is making sure that you do it correctly. Okay, so mount your body in position. Make sure it's nice and secure so you don't fall out. And you can place your hands anywhere. Some people place it on the shoulders like this, or some people have it down like this. Go down nice and low and raise up. When you raise up, make sure you're squeezing on the glutes and body nice and straight. So it's about 180 degrees. You don't need to go any higher. It's just nice and straight, and you should really feel it on your glutes as the pivoting point. So go down, raise up, squeeze. Again, you can take your arms, place it on your shoulders, go down and raise up. So in terms of counting, you can control it down for 2 or 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then raise up for 1. 1, squeeze on the glutes, control it down. 1, 2, 3, and raise up, squeeze. So, amazing exercise when you want to train your back or glutes. Some people call it glute ham raise because you do feel it on the hamstrings and the glutes. And yeah, just control it. You don't rush this exercise. You don't need much weight. If you want to create a bit more tension, then just slow it down. When you're going down towards the ground, you want to go down for about, as I said, 2-3 seconds. Extend it for 5 seconds if you want to. Slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can raise up and pause at the top as well for about 2 or 3 seconds, increasing the tension. I'll show you how to do that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise up. Hold for 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise up. 1, 2, 3.